Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on see all 32 apps, of course 32 in my case, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset app preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.